All right.
Well, I'm not.
Here's Cynia and Nail Expressions getting her first manicure.
It hasn't been so bad right now.
I would say it's been real good.
Her first expression was, ooh, the water was warm. Her second one was, ooh, the lotion smells good.
Yes, it was. And today is also my birthday. I'm 9 years old, and it's been really fun so far. I've been doing my birthday dance. And
Your birthday dance? When did you do a birthday dance? Did I miss that?
Yes, you did. You were sleeping when I did that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's been awesome,
Tell everybody how bad them cuticles were.
They were like adult cuticles that need fillings.
Is that normal?
No, but if you are a picker,
I'm a picker. I am a picker, but I'm going to try to stop.
Yeah.
My nose looks so beautiful.
Yeah, she's hooking it up.
so what color are we going with, Cynia?
I don't know. There's so many cute colors. I don't know.
You are something else.
Pink, purple, red, blue, green.
I think I want a pink color.
Okay.
Mm.
What kind of pink? You like the hot pink?
Oh, yeah, I like hot pink.
Okay. This pink here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think that'd be cute on you.
Mm-hmm. Especially cute when I'm going to Roehaven for my birthday.
You going to Roehaven today?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, that's nice.
She can't skate though, so it should be funny.
Oh, yes.
People are going to hold my hands like
What
I
time she going?
3 o'clock.
Ooh, can we go?
I got a free ticket for him to go to Roehaven.
Yeah, he could come.
I have to see. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do.
I'll
If I
bet.
get finished, if I get finished beforehand,
Yeah.
I'll bring him out.
It'll be over before. It'll be over by 5.
Yeah, so 2 hours, 35.
So you going by yourself?
No.
Okay.
There's other people coming with me, cousins, friends from school.
Oh yeah.
Like me.
Oh, so it's a party.
Yeah, it's a party.
Oh, I thought your mother was just taking you out there.
Oh God.
Oh, this is
Girl,
a
you know you got to give him a party.
This isn't much.
Sure.
You got to make a big deal.
This feels so good.
All right. Got your nails all done now.
It's gonna be awesome.
All right. Tell everybody bye.
Goodbye, guys. Get ready to see the next Simply Cindy episode.